Hi everyone, I'm Renee from Honest Craft and I'm here today to share another fun Halloween project. I was hoping to share it before Halloween. I did get it done in time. However, what I wasn't expecting was for our mist maker not to be working. So we ran to Spirit of Halloween to go get another one and they were sold out. So unfortunately it didn't quite showcase like I wanted it to. But I am going to share it, so yeah, and hopefully next year I'll be sharing the video with the mist maker and see how it actually all came together. But on its own it looks great anyways, so let's get on with the video. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please feel free to do so. Love to have you here. Take care.